Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can run the live server in your favorite browser in Visual Studio Code. So first, I have here a HTML file. Okay, so let's jump right in. First, proceed to the extension. You can see here on the upper left pane. Proceed to the extensions and search for live server and click on the first result. It is published by Retweak Day. Just install this one. Install it right away. Okay, it's already installed. And we can close this one. Now, go to your files. Right click on this one and open with live server. Okay, so now we are on the live server. But I'm going to show you here. You're going to notice that let's add another HTML tag, and then let's say test. So you can see here there's nothing happening in my browser. I'm going to save it manually and then it will appear. So it's not what we want. We're looking for the auto save, or that it will auto update, that we don't need to save manually before it uh, show in our server or in our browser. So what we're gonna do first, I mean, go to the manage or on the settings, click on the settings, and search for autosave. So as you can see here, on the default, autosave is off or turned off. Now we're going to select after the delayed, and then here's the property after the delayed autosave. It is 1 second, so you can. It's up to you if you want to lower this or if you want to make it higher. But in my case, I just want to make it, let's say, 600 or 500 milliseconds. And just close this one. Okay, so you can see here now, I'm going to edit again. So let's say each one. Alright, and then test 2. Right, you can see here, it's already updating without saving, without manually saving your HTML file. Okay, so test again. Let's say, okay, you can see here after a zero point 0.5 seconds it will automatically update, because after zero point 0.5 seconds it will save automatically your HTML file. So that's it. We have a running live server into our browser using the Visual Code. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, you may leave a like and subscribe. And if you have questions, you may leave them in the comment. Okay, guys, that's it for this video. See you again on our next video.